So sometimes I get to the last piece and everything shifted a little bit, so my last piece is a little bit off. So rather than to go backwards and redo everything, I just kind of take a piece of paper. I just kind of tore a piece of paper off, and my gloves are a little bit dirty anyways, so I just laid this paper on and kind of pressed on the edges of the glass to create a line like that. So now all I really need to do is take my scissors and just cut along that line to start to make a new pattern that'll fit well in here. So you might have to just kind of adjust a little bit. I'm gonna use my Sharpie and just kind of trace a new edge. And I'm just gonna work with this until I have a new piece that fits perfectly into that last space. That way it's got a nice tight fit and I don't have to go back and readjust everything else.